Hi everyone, this is Module 2, Whole Numbers and Decimals, Level F of VMath. This is Lesson 8, so turn to page 29 to follow along and take notes. All right, comparing and ordering decimals. So we're going to write greater than, less than, or equal to. We can see we have 3,586, 3,562. Well, we know that the 8 is greater than the 6, so this one is greater than. Here we have 5 and 145 thousandths. Here we have 5 and 567 thousandths. Well, we can easily see, remember, we look at the place value and we can see that this one is bigger. Here we have 4 and 73 hundredths. Here we have 4 and 730 thousandths. But look, can I add a 0 here? I sure can. And now we can see that they are exactly the same. All right, these we have to put in order. So we have, I'm going to make this one 2.600, and I'm going to make this one 2.380, because now they are all in the thousandths place. Well, the lowest one would be the 2.380. Then we have 2.459 and then 2.600, because we're comparing that tenths place and then it goes up in order. This one, all three numbers are already all in the thousandths place, which is nice. They all have 4 tenths, but not all the same hundredths place. So the yellow is different. So let's look at that yellow. So 476 thousandths, 401 thousandths, 472. Well, we can easily see that this one, so 0.401 is the smallest. And then we have 476, 472. Well, 72 is less. So then we have 0.472 thousandths, and then 0 and 476 thousandths. All right, this says Bianca bought apples. The apples weighed 1 and 48 hundredths pounds. Connor also bought apples. His apples weighed 1 and 32 hundredths pounds. Whose apples weighed more? Here's Bianca's 1 and 48 hundredths. Connor's were 1 and 32 hundredths. Well, we can see that this one has a whole tenth and then some more. So 1 and 48 hundredths, switch that back to black, is greater than. So we would say Bianca's apples weighed more. Here it says compare, right? Greater than, less than, or equal to. So again, if you have a place value chart, you can write these out. I'm going to write them up here. So we have 35 and 84 hundredths, and then I'm going to line it up. 3 and 584 thousandths. Well, we can easily see right away that this has tenths, this doesn't have, or tens, and this doesn't have tens. So this one, 35 and 84 hundredths, is greater than. Here we have 1 and 61 hundredths, but this has no tenths, and this has 5 tenths. So we know that 1 and 52 hundredths is bigger. Here again, we're going to order from least to greatest. Well, they all have 1 in the 1 spot. 2 of them have a 4 in the tens, but this one does not. So that one is the lowest, 1 and 40 thousandths. Then we're going to go to the tens place. Well, we can see that this one, 1 and 427 thousandths, is the next greatest, and then the greatest one is 1 and 481 thousandths, because that 8 is greater. Next we have 68 thousandths, 607 thousandths, and 78 thousandths. Well, the lowest one is going to be 68 thousandths, and then 78 thousandths. And then this one is the greatest, we can easily see, because it is 0 and 607 thousandths. All right, this says compare decimals through thousands. Using symbols, compare 1 and 38 hundredths to 1 and 50 hundredths. Well, 1 equals 1, so you're going to compare the whole numbers. Continue if the whole numbers are the same. All right, then you're going to compare the digits to the right of the decimal point from left to right until the digits differ. Well, here they differ, right? The tenths place, 3 is less than 5. So when the digits differ, the number with the lesser digit is lesser. So we know that 1 and 38 hundredths is less than 1 and 50 hundredths. Now this says order decimals through thousands. So you're going to order those numbers. It says follow the steps for comparing decimals 2 numbers at a time. Least to greatest, it says write the numbers in order from least to greatest or greatest to least. So here you can easily see that the ones place is different. So 3, 4, 5, that one was a pretty easy one to compare. Sometimes you have to go into the decimal places to compare. All right, so now you're going to complete page 31 on your own. Please take your time and use a place value chart if you need to. Good luck.